Hello, welcome to Teaching with UMMoodle, Part 1, Getting Started. This is the first part of a video tutorial series produced by the Center for Teaching and Learning Enhancement at the University of Macau. So, what is Moodle? And what is UMMoodle? Moodle, it's a course management system, and at the University of Macau, our Moodle its versions 2.5 and recorded UMMoodle. The many advantages of using Moodles in our teaching, particularly speaking, we could facilitate our course delivery with a 24/7 environment to help our students learn. It could enhance student-teacher interactions. It could enable the tinkering of knowledge among our students. It could extend student learning beyond classroom confinement. It could supplement traditional face-to-face with online communications. It could help establish in our students the habit of self-management. It could keep evidence of student learning. It could also demonstrate effective educational practices. There are many advantages in using Moodle. Now, who is this tutorial for? We target this tutorial for our colleagues who want to teach a course using Moodle, particularly who want to use the tools and features available in the UMMoodle environment to create an effective class, and those colleagues who want to supplement a face-to-face course in the traditional settings are most welcome. Now, what do you need before you start? Actually, our ICTO office has done most of the work for us, including installing the Moodle software on their server, providing us with a computer with internet access to use, including the web browser software. What we need, actually as a teacher, is to ask for the access to a Moodle course site. And how do you do that? Very simple. Send an email to the ICTO office and ask for a Moodle course size to start with. And the email address is webcourse@umac.mo. Upon the email confirmations of the creations of your course site, you can actually go to the URL address http://webcourse.umac.mo with your user ID and your password. Now, in the next screen, we're going to show you a walkthrough page of how you can use your user ID and password to get to the UMMoodle site. Hello. Suppose you are somewhere in your browser and you have entered the web address webcourse.umac.mo. Then you will be brought to this page, the basic login page for the UMMoodle system. In this particular page, in order to log into the UMMoodle 2.5 system, you click on the UMMoodle 2.5 icon. Then you will be brought to a page where you have to type in your user ID and the password. The user ID is whatever before the @ sign of your email address. And the password is the password you use to log into your email account or the PC LAN. After you finish the login process, you will be brought to a list of courses under the UMMoodle 2.5 environment. Particularly, you should see the course the ICTO people has created for you. I'm going to guide you to a course which is a blended course you receive from the ICTO people. Suppose it's named FST 2014 Work 001. So you can see that when you come to this course, the ICTO people has default this course to be presented in terms of weeks. You have a number of weeks, and the title of this course has been shortened To some code combinations like this, you can always change it at your own convenience. But for this tutorial, what is needed is you know how to get to a course size like this so that you can start building the course material the way you want it. Now that is the context of the next tutorial. Thank you for visiting part 1 of this video series. When you're ready, move to part 2.